That's it right there. It's covered. I don't even know how we're gonna get out today. Oh my god, the snowdrift.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Oh boy. She's really going. Have fun. Oh god. Look at her feet.
Presley, come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Now. Here's your feet prints.
Holy, those are yours, honey.
No, those have toes.
What? Okay, literally though, what?
Look how deep my feet go. Watch.
Oh my god.
Night apron snow, girl. Night apron snow.
I just want this fire to come on. Now we've got a man shoveling snow for us. Thank you, sir. Oh my god. I just got ready. I'm wearing my little Abercrombie beanie I got for Christmas and my little cheetah jacket. Do you think we're even going to be able to get out? That's our car. It's so peaceful. So this is the current situation. Here's my outfit in the snow. Let's do an OOTD in the snow. My cheetah jacket, beanie, Central Perk shirt, even though I don't watch Friends, leather pants, and my snow boots.
Why are you in leather pants?
Because it goes with the outfit. Okay, so we finally got out of our cabin. Mom did very good backing out. I had to get out and like take off all this. It was a big it was a big happening. I had a clothes hanger trying to get all this out. I also changed outfits because what I was wearing, you just can't be cute in this weather.
No, you cannot be cute.
And the leather pants, Hartley said, looked really dumb with the snow boots.
Oh my god.
I mean,
can't see because this windshield wiper's frozen.
I can't even roll my window down.
No, don't roll your window down. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Because you might break it.
There's the racetracks, and there's a snowplow moving all the snow for us today. Thank you. So we decided we're gonna go to Pizza Hut because their pizza here is amazing. And we don't even eat pizza at home because all of our places are nasty. So freaking Pizza Hut doesn't open until 11 and it's 10 o'clock here. We're an hour ahead.
Oh, just look at all this snow falling out of the trees. I want to get it. Does it get so heavy?
So we currently just sat at a gas station for about how long, you think? 20 minutes?
Oh, about 30.
30 minutes because I don't know what the deal was, but the gas was pumping so slow. So we just got our food. Dr. Pepper and this is our view. Is that good, Mom?
I always video Mom when she's eating.
It's literally so cold. I cannot tell my feet.
Every time you vlog me, I go like this and I don't know why it's disgusting. Sorry.
Okay, we're gonna eat. This is after we eat. Like literally my whole foot is sinking in the snow. We're gonna go shopping and then go to the grocery store, I think.
We're gonna go shopping and then go get food.
There's another car?
Roll
Yeah, we are.
your window. I'm catching snow.
We're gonna go to Burt's right now because it's like our favorite little cheap place. No, it's not. How is that exciting? You always find stuff in there.
I hated them.
Pissed. We're just sliding off the road, and I go, oh my god, I'm so scared right now. And Mom goes, what are you scared about?
No, I said, skew.
And I said, maybe I'm scared because we're driving on ice and you don't even know how to use proper vocabulary. I don't know what I'm looking at exactly, but...
Oh, their bodies. Remember the butt chairs?
Wow. So we just actually found a parking spot. Oh my god, and J. Roberts is open. We thought it was closed. We were about to leave. The t-shirt company that we love out there is closed. And everything. So I just found this really cute dress at J. Roberts. We're in J. Roberts, and this is the view while we're shopping. So pretty. There's a fire going up there. Found this really cute fluffy purse. On a hill and we couldn't stop. Mom starts saying, I can't stop, and there's this car in front of us that we were about to hit. And I was the one that
sideways a little.
we couldn't stop. And I was the one that said, why are we going up this hill anyway?
But you want to go out to the end of the mountain gods.
Never mind. Mom,
No!
no!
Trying to turn!
I'm literally done. We just slid again, running into a sign, and I never have it on video when this is happening. We're going back to the cabin.
Neither
Turn around.
one of y'all have ever
Turn
driven in
around.
this, but you're gonna judge.
I'm literally scared to death. Mom, I'm scared to death. I'm scared.
Scared of what?
A while ago, we couldn't get our car to stop.
We're literally just sliding through Lafayette.
We're sliding through Lafayette.
We're sledding in the car.
Let's go back to the cabin and play in it.
Do you see the stop sign?
Yes, I see the stop sign, Harley.
You know what a stop sign means? It means stop.
I can't stop! I can't stop! I can't stop!
I was just letting y'all know we're probably fixing to hit a car.
Why is Starbucks closed?
When Jacob, where the hell did you get off?
This is your 7th office reference today.
So
Raider!
have finally decided, since there's so many people walking because they literally can't drive.
Raider!
Would you stop, idiot?
No one literally is saying power back. They just look at me.
followed.
Raider!
I've decided we shouldn't
So
drive while we're
annoying.
getting off.
I'm gonna ask this person and they're gonna say it back.
And we were here because we didn't want to cut.
Raider! They said it! Yes!
Let me drive.
Raider!
Go.
Yes! Yes! Raider! Raider! Now we're at the grocery store because we feel like we're not going to be able to get back out. This is our favorite spot. You can just scoop up any kind of snack you want. Our favorite is the chocolate covered almonds. What are people doing?
I think they're walking from the neighborhoods. It's just probably easier for them to walk than it is. Oh God! I'm sliding again. Y'all, you can't stop. It's not me.
That's
You
why
can't
I don't know
stop.
why we're going down a hill.
Presley, how did you want me to get to freaking
I told you there's a
Albertsons?
back way. That's
There's
it's,
not a back way.
Yes,
go
it is
through
to
there.
the movie theater. I told you 3 times.
Well, y'all
That
are
was
so
so
damn
scary.
smart. I'm so I have such 2 smart girls. Not one person's offered to drive this whole
I'm
trip.
not driving.
And if y'all don't get the cameras off my face, I'm fixing to start.
We're back in Upper Canyon, going back to our thing because I'm getting real scared. It's only 2 o'clock. Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting out of the car. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm literally about to just jump in this. Y'all think I should? You video me?
Yeah, I'll video you. Are you just gonna jump flat in it?
Yeah, grab my phone.
You're gonna be so
Come stand
cool.
right here.
She's an idiot.
God, it's freaking cold. You're ignorant. Oh my God. I literally can't feel my hands. I've never been this cold in my life. Like literally, I can't even feel my hands right now. Like frostbite definitely kills people. I mean, I can't even breathe. Oh my God. Don't fall in the river. Oh my God. I was right almost under it. Oh my God, there's another one. My feet are covered. Oh God, the snow is just barely coming down. Look at those icicles. Oh my God! Oh, you can't see. I said go, go, go. You said go. We were trying to get under one of those. We kind of did.
We did.
8 seconds. Maybe it'll happen again. That was so fun.
That's awful.
Pressy's gonna do it again. Her shirt just came up.
It went up my boobs.
It went up your boobs.
Let's do the snow face.
Okay. Here we go. 2018 snow face. Oh, she's going. Oh. See, I think it has. Look at me. So I just got out of the shower because I was freezing. My mom ran me a really, really steamy hot shower and I sat there for like 10 minutes. Hartley's looking at all our stuff. Show them this bag you got. Hartley got this bag from J. Roberts.
It was on
It's
sale.
a purse.
I got it for $19.
Oh my God, how
It's
cute.
regularly
Put it
50.
around your, like, yeah, regular 50. How much?
19.
As you can tell, we love cheetah. Turn around. Yes, yes. Cute. Look at our car. You can't even see our car tires anymore. So, yeah, that's the situation. There's our car. Anyway, I'm going to edit our video from yesterday, go sit by the fire with Mom, drink some coffee, and read my book. Perfect perfect reading weather. This is our favorite in the wintertime. I don't know how you can just drink black coffee. Mocha. Get real unhealthy. Yes. I've been editing the last like 2 hours, and now we're gonna go out and actually see if there's anything to
I'm gonna
eat
go
in
start
this.
the car and see if I can even get it out.
Yeah. That's our car. That is our car. I look like a freak because I have my makeup still everywhere from playing in the snow. Okay. Bye, warm cabin. Oh my god. Literally almost just slid. Is that truck stuck? Sucks. Oh my god, it's about to be us. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I bet these people right here think. Look at these Texans trying to get their snow off of the hanger.
The dog's pulling the sled.
Oh, cute. Okay, so this girl literally just got out of her truck and came and told my mom. I know, Mom, I was like so in the... She literally came out, told my mom, she's like, I don't even remember what she just said. I was like literally sitting here.
She said, I know people like you don't live here, so you probably don't know, but we've got to have a little more space in between your car and my car because you could easily slide into me. A, we're on an uphill climb.
Did you not just hear what just happened?
No. You didn't see the girl come over to my window? She got out of her truck, came over to my window and told me I was too close to her.
So rude. You're
Was she-
so rude, New Mexico person.
She wasn't
Just
even trying
saying.
to be nice.
No, she was so rude. She was literally being like this. She was talking like this.
Yeah.
And I thought you were about to blow up.
No,
Did you
Mom-
film her, Presley?
No, because I
Why?
probably because I was like literally, what's going on? Like,
But seriously?
why are people so rude?
I said, seriously, you think I'm too close to you right now? And she goes, yeah, I do.
I
There was
would've
room to
flipped
put
off.
another Suburban in between us. Maybe not a Suburban, but a car.
And the lady was saying that we're caught. People like us are causing traffic that's up here. There's literally nothing up here. Like I would honestly own up and say, yeah, we were a little close, but we were not even
So,
close.
wait on me for a minute.
And she was making such a big deal.
My girls will throw me under the bus always if I'm in the wrong. Like they will say, you're wrong, Mom. You were in the wrong. I feel like taking my shirt off and getting out and shaking my boobs right at her. Or just doing something
Just do it.
so profane. Like seriously. I think I
Texas is
am.
the best state in the world.
Mom, stop. Mom, stop.
I'm
Mom,
sorry.
stop. Stop. Oh my god. I literally for a minute was like, my mom's literally trying to get YouTube famous.
Harley had her hand over the lock on my door.
Okay, now the lady has her hand back out again. That little weird thing is literally her hand.
If she comes back over here, I'm
Well,
literally
put your hand out.
no,
Put your hand out
I'm
too.
literally not rolling down my window. Be cautious. I'm on a hill.
The snow is actually glistening right now. I wish you could see it. I mean, you kind of can. It's so pretty. We're still trying to find something to eat for dinner.
Where do you think the bears are?
Are they in hibernation or is that the summertime?
Well, they
I'm
hibernate.
not for sure.
Depends on what kind of bear you're talking about.
Okay, Dwight.
What kind of bear?
Thank
Brown bears, black bears, grizzly bears,
Oh my
bear.
god.
polar bears.
We went to Denny's because they're like one of the only places open. We sat in there for like, what, 45 minutes? And there was people like,
Long enough to where people were bringing in beer, drinking.
people were bringing beer. Insert clip here.
We are currently in Denny's waiting to be seated, and I think that this guy must have forgotten where he was at because he's literally drinking beer in his koozie. I think everybody in Ruidoso is getting super crazy.
There was people getting seated that when it came in after us and had smaller. Are you gonna go through this red light? Oh, nope. Does not pay attention. Anyway, we saw our
Oh my
one of our
God.
favorite.
Oh my god, smell.
It's called Old Taco Place was open, and so we went there and we've actually been sitting for like 30 minutes out in our car. But it's like so authentic. It's amazing Mexican food. So now we're taking it back to our cabin. Apparently, this is the most snow Ruidoso's got in 30 years at one time, and we're here.
Yep.
But I'm low-key kind of stressed out and like over it because you can't even do anything. You can barely drive.
Ski resort's closed.
Ski resort's closed. Everywhere to
Restaurants are
eat's
closed.
closed except like 3.
Shopping's closed.
Like when Subway, McDonald's, and KFC like chain stuff's closed. That's when you
Pretty
know
good
it's
sign. It's
yeah.
bad weather.
So I think we're gonna go
Look
home
at this,
tomorrow like
Wesley.
we planned. Another red light, Mom. So this is a food rice burrito. Queso. Forgot to close out this video for today. Yeah. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.